In this video we will learn how to add bank branch details in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Organization module on top navigation bar. Click on Constant Form. The form consists list of forms. The user can use the search bar to find the desired form. Here you can see the Manage Bank Branch form. Click on Add New Bank Branch button. A pop-up will be visible. Select the bank and city from drop-downs. Enter branch name and number. Define the account number and title. And click on Save button. The bank branch will be added in the list and shown in all bank branch drop-downs in System. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.